On 16th March 2025, Explore Life with Sutapa team went to birdwatching at Kamduni-Khoribari area. This is the time of the year when the water bodies of this area host many birds during their return migration.
Welcome to my channel Explore Life with Sutapa. Today I am again out, and this time it is about birding at Khoribari and Kamduni area. So what are the birds we find, we will show you, and you stay with me. Stay tuned.
It is 16th March 2025 and 6:15 am in the morning. We are out for birdwatching in the Kamduni and Khoribari area. We reached the Kamduni area at around 7 am. Regarding the location, I will share the location of Kamduni and Khoribari in the description box for your convenience. We started searching in the Kamduni area for about 1.5 hours. The area was almost vacant. Even the water bodies had no birds, maybe due to the construction going on around the area. There was only one bird which was in large numbers. That was the eastern yellow wagtail. So I decided to take a shot of the bird. And here it is. Eastern yellow wagtail are ground-dwelling beautiful birds, and they are winter migrants to this area. We then started for the Khoribari area and started searching for birds. In one of the marshes, after a lot of searching, we spotted a few sandpipers. It seemed to be a wood sandpiper. They are migrants and wintering birds that inhabits wetland habitats, especially with grasses and other vegetation cover. I have spotted the sandpiper from the main road, and it was at a distance. But we understood that the birds are maybe in the neighboring area. We got down and started walking on the trails like this. Then we came across a pied kingfisher. Pied kingfishers are boldly marked black and white kingfishers with short, bushy crest and dark bill. They inhabit a wide range of waterside habitats from coastal side lakes, mangroves and inland water bodies. I took some shots. There, in one of the water bodies, we spotted a lot of birds. On closer look, it was a flock of black-headed ibis. Black-headed ibis are large waders with white body and black head and neck. Males and females are similar. They have a very distinct curved bill. With their curved bill, they pick up the small fish, insects, and crustaceans from the shallow water. It was foraging with an Asian open-bill stork in the water. After taking the video of the black-headed ibis, I noticed some more birds at a distance. They were quite far. They seem to be like Pied Avocets. What a catch! Yes, they were indeed Pied Avocets, but they were quite at a distance. Luckily, they flew and came closer. They are beautiful birds with black and white plumage, bluish grey legs, and long, slender, upcurved bill. They use their bill to feed on insects and other small fishes from the water. They visit every year to this place during their return migration. Along with the Pied Avocets, there was a flock of common green shank. They were quite distant. They are also migrants to this area. In that flock, there were some other birds as well. They were black-winged stilts. Black-winged stilts are striking black and white waders with a thin straight bill and pink legs. They are found in wetlands with shallow water. Some of this population are migratory. We were having a great time there. We spotted a lot of birds there, and some of them were really good. This is a place which is beautiful not only for the bird watchers and bird photographers, but also for those who love nature can come here and spend some time. This place will be enjoyable during early morning or during sunset. You can come anytime and enjoy the beauty of the place. Here, for bird watching and bird photography, you have to work on these muddy trails which are called alpots. Be very careful while walking on them and always wear boots because these are the places where there are a lot of snakes, poisonous and non-poisonous. Better to be careful. In one of the trails while birdwatching, we found a dead snake, which was mostly killed due to accident or maybe due to fear by the residents. It's a misconception that happens that the snake will bite you as soon as it sees you. It is not like that. It will only harm you to defend itself. I also fear snake, but it's better to let them be because they are very important creature of the ecosystem. So those who are watching my channel, I have provided the number of the rescue support in the description box, so you can call them if you face any such situation in future. One more thing to notice is I was in an area and the path was from one of the houses, resident houses, and he let me inside so that I could have a look at the birds. So if you are coming to this area, please make sure that you take permission of those who are staying there and also make sure that they do not get disturbed by your bird watching.
We are now at the Khoribari water bodies, and I am very happy because we got some Pied Avocet, black-headed ibis and stills and pied kingfisher. এটা কোন এর গোটে মেঠা কাক Here in Khoribari you can find water bodies like this, vast water bodies. So it is difficult to tell the location where you will find the birds, but you will mostly find the birds around these water bodies. You can see. So come, let's see what we find.
We then went on one of the other trails. Here we spotted a very good catch, a tame extent. It was a lifer for me. They breed in areas like Russia and migrate across Africa and Southern Asia. We went ahead further in search of birds. It was very late, around maybe 9 o'clock by the time we reached this area, but still there were some birds there. We spotted glossy ibis. It's a very beautiful bird and its glossy color can be seen if light falls on it, and it is also a migrant to this area. It was a very good catch as well. In the flock of glossy ibis, we spotted two grey-headed lapwings as well. There was some painted stork as well, which flew in the sky, but it was very distant. There, we spotted another bird. It was a very beautiful, small, common kingfisher. Though small, this bird is very beautiful and colorful. You can identify the males and females from their big colors. Though this bird is a resident in this area, but it is very rarely seen nowadays. Their numbers are gradually decreasing around this area due to urbanization. And I always love this little bird. The light was becoming very harsh. It was 10 a.m. in the morning now, and it was time to return. I found this place a bit late, so maybe I will come again to this place to see what other birds I can find. So if you have liked this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because you know your encouragement keeps me going. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So till the next video, next series, you all stay healthy, stay safe, and bye for now.